Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sonu. I'll be sharing with you all few things that I have incorporated to my home to make it look elegant and more glamorous. In this easy do-it-yourself project, I'm basically just repainting the idol of Buddha that has been sitting around my house for a long time now. I choose the spray paint that goes well with my house decor, so I'm using the golden spray paint. I spray painted the statue both from the front and the back. I applied the first coat and let it sit to dry for about an hour and then applied the second coat after it. This is how it turned out to be. So for the seashell, it again is a very easy project that I did. I spray painted it gold and let it sit to dry for an hour. I spray painted the seashell just once. The one coat is enough to paint the seashells. Likewise, I spray painted the candles too. These candles are cool for home decor. I just think it is really cute to give the candle a fresh look by spray painting it. For the next project, I'm creating this beautiful flower vase. I'm using a vase, the flower that I purchased from Dollar Tree, and floral foam. Here I am taking the measurement of the foam. I'll cut the foam in the right size, and I'm making sure the foam sits in there pretty good. Now it's the time to top it out with the roses. I'm using about 9 pieces of roses. I will be topping the roses on the 4 corners of the vase. Then I will be covering other spaces with the remaining roses. I'm making sure they are close to each other. You can apply a hot glue gun to make it more permanent. So this is how the complete look looks like. I hope this inspires you to do a few DIYs around your house. Thank you so much for joining me. Do subscribe for more videos.